Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing a pear. Let's get started. We will start by drawing the pear stem. Now we will draw a leaf. Time to draw a pear. We will color the stem brown. Now we will color the leaf dark green. At last, we will color the pear light green.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.